guys, it's Gingo1 here, and today I'm going to be making a backpack out of an old jumper. For the first step, I'm going to cut off both of the arms. Now most backpacks have a seal, so we're going to cut along here to make ours, but you can only cut the front, not the back, otherwise it won't work. Now we've cut along here, the top is still joined, so we now have to cut along here and here, or maybe along here, depending if you want this rim, to make the top flap. The backpack looks a bit thick, so I'm going to cut along one of the sides until it gets to my desired width. The backpack looks great, so now we have to sew it. We're going to sew along the bottom and the side that we cut. Now it's all sewn up, we need to put a button on. Once you've sewn a button on, cut a slit for the button to go through. Now you need to sew the arms onto the back so you can put your arms through them. Now I've finished the arms, I've just decorated it with a little heart. Hope you enjoy making it.